Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok delay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your app store, and on the search bar simply type in TikTok and then tap on the app and check to see if the app is up to date or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update might fix the issue. So once you do that, if the issue is still there, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside settings, tap on the general, and here on the general tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside here, tap on TikTok. And once you're inside here, tap on offload app and then tap on offload app to begin the process. What this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once this process is complete, instead of this upload app, you'll have a reinstall app. Simply tap on that reinstall app, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is just try again and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.